Sorry, Naomi.
He's paying so much attention to me. So cute, sorry. Okay, good. Did I scare you? Did you jump? Oh.
Wardee, is there any way you cannot smile? I'm so sorry. Yes. I know that's terrible, but it's distracting. It's like you're so sweet, but...
Fertility, what is Maca good for?
For pregnant and lactating women, because they can stop excessive breeding.
That is not what it is. HGB-A1C.
So those are my two.
And I also sprayed. Okay, let's not get that. No. Oh my goodness.
No matter what kind of starting place you're at. I hate that dangling preposition.
That are preferably soaked, souted. That's how you combine sour and sprouted. I'm sorry, I'm really hot. Cupcakes, pastries, and all the other foods you know you're not supposed to eat.
Clary essential oil, Clary sage. Clary essential oil, Clary sage. I'm sorry, it's just so hard to start.
And joining the circus. And low gas mileage. 1 to 2. No.
Morning sickness remedies, and yes. Help for stretch marks.
Okay. Plug in wall fresheners or things that make your house smell like Christmas. So a double whammy against, I don't want to say double whammy, I don't know why. Just mess it up.
It comes from a Persian word yasmin, which means gift of the night. Oh, gift of the god. Gift from God.
Take your prenatal still and